There's nothing quite like packing up for a weekend and taking off across the country. No lines, no traffic, just pure freedom. But to make that happen, you need the right airplane. Fast enough to cover distance, comfortable enough to enjoy the ride, and reliable enough to bring you home on Sunday night. Today, we're counting down 7 of the best used aircraft for cross-country weekend trips, planes that deliver real performance and comfort without breaking the bank. Let's get started. The Cessna 182 Skylane is the perfect weekend traveler, a dependable all-rounder that combines speed, comfort, and versatility in one timeless package. With its 230 horsepower engine, the Skylane cruises around 140 knots, giving you solid cross-country performance without pushing complexity or cost too far. Its high wing design gives excellent visibility and stability, making long flights smoother and less tiring. You'll feel that trademark Cessna predictability in every phase of flight: steady takeoffs, smooth landings, and a calm, forgiving feel in the air. It's the kind of airplane that helps you relax and enjoy the journey instead of managing surprises. Inside, the cabin offers generous space for 2 to 4 adults and luggage, perfect for weekend getaways. Many used models feature upgraded Garmin avionics, making navigation easy and safe even for newer pilots. Maintenance and fuel costs remain reasonable, and parts are everywhere. Another reason why the 182 has been a pilot favorite for decades. Whether you're heading for a quiet mountain town or a coastal escape, the Cessna 182 Skylane delivers exactly what weekend flying should feel like: effortless, confident, and endlessly rewarding. The Piper PA-32 Saratoga and its earlier sibling, the Lance, are built for true weekend getaways. These 6-seat singles blend comfort, power, and range in a way that makes cross-country flying feel first class without the jet price tag. Powered by a 300 horsepower engine, the Saratoga cruises around 155 knots, giving you solid speed and endurance for long trips. What really sets it apart is space and stability. The cabin is roomy, with club-style seating that lets passengers stretch out and enjoy the ride. It's quiet, smooth, and feels more like a traveling machine than a small airplane. The wide doors and flat floor make getting in and out easy, especially nice for senior pilots or passengers. Handling is classic Piper: steady, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. Whether it's the fixed-gear Saratoga or the retractable Lance, the airframe feels solid and well-balanced even in bumps or crosswinds. Maintenance is straightforward, parts are widely available, and insurance costs stay reasonable for its class. If your ideal weekend trip means flying a few states over with friends or family, in comfort, not cramped, the Piper PA-32 Saratoga or Lance is hard to beat. It's a real traveler's airplane that turns every weekend into a mini-adventure. The Cessna 210 Centurion is the definition of a cross-country workhorse: fast, capable, and built to carry both people and baggage without compromise. Powered by a 300 horsepower engine, the 210 cruises around 160 to 170 knots, giving you the kind of performance that makes multi-state weekend trips quick and easy. What sets the Centurion apart is its combination of speed and utility. With retractable landing gear and a clean, efficient design, it slices through the air smoothly, yet still offers the roomy cabin and dependable feel Cessna pilots love. It can carry up to 6 people or a hefty load of luggage without feeling sluggish, perfect for those spontaneous trips that turn into full-blown adventures. The handling is solid and predictable, but it's also responsive enough to keep things fun. Many used models come with Garmin Glass cockpit upgrades, making long-distance navigation simple and precise. Maintenance is manageable, with excellent parts support and strong resale value thanks to its loyal following. If your weekend plans usually involve covering real distance, mountain ranges, coastlines, or cross-country hops, the Cessna 210 Centurion gives you the speed, space, and reliability to get there with confidence and comfort every time. The Quest Kodiak 100 is the perfect choice for pilots who want to go anywhere, anytime, and take everything with them. Designed for rugged reliability and short-field performance, it's a true adventure aircraft that still delivers impressive comfort for weekend cross-country trips. Powered by a 750 horsepower Pratt & Whitney turboprop, the Kodiak cruises around 175 knots while carrying up to 9 people or a serious load of gear. Its ability to take off and land on short, rough strips opens up destinations that other planes can only dream about. Mountain cabins, lakeside lodges, or remote airfields are all fair game. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly refined. The Quest's Executive Edition interiors offer leather seating, modern trim, and big windows for incredible views, turning long flights into part of the fun. The Garmin G1000 avionics suite adds modern reliability and simplicity, making it easier for pilots to manage both systems and situational awareness. Despite being a turboprop, the Kodiak's design focuses on durability and low-maintenance operation. It's built strong, with corrosion protection and easy service access throughout. For retired or weekend pilots who crave freedom more than routine, the Quest Kodiak 100 is a rare mix of practicality, performance, and pure adventure spirit. It's not just a plane for the weekend. It's a plane for wherever the weekend takes you. The Tecnam P2006T and P2010 are modern, efficient, and surprisingly comfortable options for weekend cross-country flying. Perfect for pilots who value light handling, low operating costs, and a touch of European design. Let's start with the P2006T. It's a twin-engine aircraft, but don't let that intimidate you. It's powered by 2 Rotax 912 engines that sip fuel at just 5 gallons per hour each. Cruising around 135 knots, it offers the safety of a twin with the economy of a single. Lightweight, stable, and easy to handle, the P2006T makes multi-engine flying surprisingly approachable, even for newer or returning pilots. Then, there's the P2010, a sleek single-engine 4-seater that blends classic Cessna-like practicality with modern flair. It cruises at about 130 knots and features a composite and metal hybrid design for strength and smooth performance. The roomy cabin, large doors, and bright interior make it one of the most comfortable in its class. Both models feature Garmin G1000 avionics, giving you top-tier situational awareness and stress-free navigation. Maintenance costs stay low, and Tecnam's modern engineering helps keep ownership simple. If you're looking for a clean, modern alternative to the usual Cessnas and Pipers, something efficient, stylish, and perfect for weekend travel, the Tecnam P2006T and P2010 deliver European elegance with everyday practicality. The Diamond DA40 Star is a modern favorite among pilots who want safety, efficiency, and comfort for those weekend cross-country escapes. Sleek, fast, and incredibly forgiving, it's one of the most approachable 4-seat airplanes you can fly, and a perfect match for retired or casual aviators who want confidence without complexity. Powered by a 180 horsepower Lycoming engine, the DA40 cruises around 140 knots while sipping fuel at just 9 gallons per hour. That means you can cover serious ground without burning through your budget. Its composite airframe makes it light, strong, and corrosion resistant, ideal for long-term ownership with minimal maintenance headaches. What really makes the DA40 special is how it feels in the air. The long, glider-like wings give it graceful handling and exceptional stability. It's smooth and responsive, but never twitchy. Perfect for long, relaxed flights. Inside, you'll find a bright, panoramic cabin with large windows and Garmin G1000 avionics that make navigation intuitive and stress-free. It's a comfortable, confidence-inspiring environment that turns hours in the air into a pleasure rather than a chore. If your ideal weekend trip means cruising efficiently, safely, and in style, the Diamond DA40 Star delivers everything you need. Modern performance wrapped in timeless flying comfort. The Beechcraft Baron G58 is the perfect blend of classic craftsmanship and serious cross-country capability. A twin that makes weekend travel feel effortless, fast, and first class. Known for its strength, smoothness, and timeless design, the Baron has long been the go-to choice for pilots who want performance without giving up comfort or confidence. Powered by twin 300 horsepower Continental engines, the G58 cruises around 200 knots, letting you cover entire states in just a few hours. Its climb performance is outstanding, and the solid, predictable handling makes it one of the most confidence-inspiring twins ever built. Even in turbulence or crosswinds, the Baron feels planted and composed, a true pilot's airplane. Inside, The G58's cabin feels refined and comfortable, with executive-style seating and space for 6. The Garmin G1000 NXI Avionics Suite gives you all the modern tools for safe, precise navigation, while the quality of fit and finish is pure Beechcraft, elegant and durable. Maintenance is straightforward for a twin of its class, and Beechcraft's legendary build quality means these airplanes hold up beautifully over time. For weekend flyers who want speed, stability, and luxury in one package, the Baron G58 is hard to top. It's not just a way to travel, it's a statement that the journey matters just as much as the destination.